Hey Griddle Nation, I'm CJ the Blackstone Bartender, and it's Christmas time, which means it's time to put a fun holiday twist on your classic cocktails. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas Cranberry Mule. Let's do this. Fun fact, cranberries actually have a ton of health benefits. So essentially, this is good for you. Continue with the drink. So this year, no matter what you're cooking on your Blackstone for this festive holiday, incorporate this tasty drink. It will not disappoint. For this recipe and more, please be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com. I'm CJ, the Blackstone Bartender. Merry Christmas and cheers.